Hi guys, it's Jamie here, and I've decided to try something new, which will be a catch-all journal. Until recently, I've kept an art journal, a happy planner, a normal journal, and also made lots and lots of journals for tutorials. This isn't working for me currently, so I purchased an A5 ring binder so that I could handle the size of it. I find A4 a little large. And I decided I was going to use our value papers from our Etsy shop. I will put the link in the description because they're incredibly cheap and I can get a big pack of different papers that's going to see me through over a month, cutting them down to A5 size and using them in this catch-all journal. I'm starting with the KLIMT packs because they were the first ones we put into our value ad. You won't really see much of those printables in this video, but there is a walkthrough video on the YouTube. And again, I will put that link into the video description. I recorded this video yesterday. I'm editing it this morning. So I woke up to the news that Matthew Perry had passed. Being Gen X and of a certain age, Friends was a constant TV show throughout my 20s and kind of relatable from my point of view, despite the fact I'm British and that was set in New York, because they were meant to be the same ages. And in fact, Matthew Perry was 2 years younger than me. As each month of my planner will start with a montage, a collage relating to that month, even though my initial thoughts for November were autumnal fall collage, I decided to do a very simple tribute cover. So you can see me placing down my background Central Perk cafe on the KLIMT paper that I have already cut to size to fit my planner. I do decide to actually cut this down so it is all Central Perk. I don't really like the borders. So I know that my future pages will sit above that first page, but I don't mind because coming from a junk journaling background, I do not have to have all my pages perfect sizes, etc. The joy in junk journaling and hopefully this catch-all planner is that it does have that handmade, homemade element to it. So the idea is that I will have all my to-do list and my plans and meetings and everything scheduled into this journal, but I will also add additional pages that are more junk journal style with flips and tucks and journaling questions, maybe even bits of art journaling. So that's why I'm calling it a catch-all. To be able to do this tribute cover, I went online and picked up some images that were copyright free from the internet. I then put them through two different apps that I have. One removes the backgrounds to the images and the other I can change the colours and the styles and generally play with those images to make them a bit more how I would like them to look. In our Facebook group, if you're watching this on YouTube, I will link that group for you. I have actually put those printables up just for immediate copy and download, totally free. The only thing I ask that is out of respect for Matthew Perry, his family and friends, you do not use them in commercial projects and they're purely for your own use to create a collage or a planner page, an art journal page or a scrapbook page. In addition to our junk journal tutorials and also the Stash Builder event, I will also post pages that I do in this catch-all if I think they are of interest and have unusual pockets or flips or tucks or something like that. While you do have videos in the group, you also have over 500 tutorials sorted into playlists on my YouTube channel, Journaling with Jamie. I hope you've enjoyed this short tutorial and I will catch you very, very soon. Bye.